Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bima from Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how we can enable dark mode on our Google Maps application. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So how do you enable dark mode on Google Map application? Now this is actually pretty quick, simple and easy, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you want to do is make sure you have actually updated the Google Maps application to the latest version. If not, then you want to head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type in Google Maps and then go ahead and update the application if there is an update available for Google Maps. So after we have updated Google Maps, I'm going to simply go ahead and open my Maps application right over here. And as we open Google Maps, you can currently see that I am actually in the lighter theme. Now maybe this is actually causing irritation on your eyes, maybe it is bugging you, and now you want to switch to a darker version on the Google Maps application. So how do we go about doing that? So in order to enable dark mode on Google Maps, so what we want to do is on the top right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to tap on your Google profile picture. You can simply tap on it. And as you tap on your Google profile picture right over here, you can see multiple options. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll find an option called settings. So we want to simply go ahead and tap on the settings button. And as we tap on settings here, you'll be able to see multiple options and many more options. And here at the fourth option on the top, you'll find an option called theme. And currently it is on always in light theme. So if you want to change it, so we can simply tap on it. As we tap on it here, we have been given three options. The first is light theme. The second is dark theme, and the third theme is the same as the device theme. So what this device theme means is that if your Android or your iPhone is currently in the darker theme, and if you select the third option, your Google Maps application is automatically going to follow that option. And if your device is in light theme, your Google Maps application is going to follow that as well. But in this video, we are simply going to learn how we can enable dark mode. So we want to simply select the second option, which says always in dark theme. Once we select always in dark theme, you also want to make sure to save this because it is not going to make the changes instantly. So at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to see the button called save. So you can simply tap on save right over here. And as we tap on save, you can see instantly that we have actually enabled dark mode on our Google Maps. Now if we go back and navigate through all of the maps and ways and so on, you can see that we have actually enabled the dark mode on Google Maps, and it is currently in the darker theme. So this is the way on how you can actually enable dark mode on Google Maps. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like as well as hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.